Penny stocks, penny stocks, penny stocks, penny stocks, Wolf of Wall Street, penny stocks. Penny stocks are bad. Penny stocks are terrible. Do not invest your money in penny stocks. Stay away from penny stocks. Everyone tells the same story about penny stocks. They talk about how volatile penny stocks are. They talk about how bad penny stocks are. It's a weird area because obviously penny stocks can be one or two different things. You can have penny stocks that are off the charts, that are just terrible. There's no way that stock's ever going to make money in a million years. It's just going to crash, or you're going to be little pops, or you're going to have opportunities to make money. But in general, penny stocks are bad. And that's why I always talk about how we're not investing, we are trading. Are penny stocks bad for trading? And that's the next question. I see some people that only trade, blue chips, larger stocks. They get those 1 to 2% moves and they're like, hey, I feel safe about it because I'm not worried about those big drops. Well, you're not going to have a move like we had last week on SPI that went up 300% on a big blue chip stock. SPI was 40 cents at the beginning of the day. By the end of the day, it was at 240. So huge move there. And you're just not going to have that opportunity for the volatility on those larger, safer stocks. If you trade penny stocks with a plan, if you trade penny stocks knowing that these penny stocks are terrible companies, they can crash at any moment, you take your profit when you have it, you're not greedy, you don't chase it to the top, then you can be very profitable trading penny stocks. OTC, off the chart stocks are a little bit different than the normal penny stocks that I trade. I don't think I've ever traded a pink sheet off the chart stock, maybe once or twice, but normally I stay away from this because it's just too manipulated, it's just too weird stuff going on over there. When I think about a penny stock, I think about literally a stock that's a penny and it's not moving. It's just a terrible company that's off the chart and I'm not even gonna look at it. Some people think that every stock under $1, under $2, under $3 is a penny stock and a terrible company to trade. But when you know how to trade penny stocks and you trade penny stocks smart and you stick to the plan, knowing that these stocks can crash and never come back, we're not investing, we're buying and trading. We're trading these penny stocks and we know that we're playing with fire the entire time. We're taking our profit when we have it. We're not just sitting back and waiting and hoping and praying. Then penny stocks can be very profitable. And that's the big thing. Going into the game, knowing that penny stocks are what they are and understanding the risk to reward there, you can be very profitable as a penny stock trader. Penny stocks are not just the little penny stocks that you saw on Wolf of Wall Street. When you trade penny stocks, these stocks that are $1, $2, $3, when you trade these stocks that go up 100% in a day, there's a lot of opportunity to make money there. You just need to be able to manage your risk, to understand what you're doing. You're playing with fire the entire time, and playing with fire, sometimes you'll get burnt, but in general, idea is that you're able to manage the risk and manage the reward there and understand what you're doing. Trading penny stocks is not for everyone, and I don't suggest that just jumping right into it and buying your first penny stock tomorrow if you've never traded before. Understand what you're doing. Understand that these stocks can crash at any moment. And that's the big thing. Remember always, I can never stress this enough. Bears and bulls make money, but pigs get slaughtered. And that's a very simple idea that if I know that a stock's going up 300%, at some point that stock is going to crash. It's going to crash hard and it's going to be very, very bloody when it happens. So I'm looking to take profit. If I see the stock's going up, I'm up 30, 40 cents, I'm up $1,000. I'm taking profit. Yeah, maybe the stock keeps going higher, maybe it keeps going higher. But in general, if I always stick to the plan, if I always take profit when I have it, there's going to be those days where the stock crashes. I take profit before everyone else does, and it works out for me in the long run. If I had those base hits over and over, I'm going to continuously come back to home. I'm going to make money in the long run, where the guy who is always batting for the fences is always batting to get a home run. He's going to have a lot more strikeouts, and in the end, the strikeouts are going to add up. He's going to cut into his profits. He might have a big profit one day, but the next day he's going to have a big loss, and the next day another big loss. It's going to eat into all those big profits. So the big thing with penny stocks is to really manage your risk. Understand what you're trading. These stocks, these companies are total crap companies most of the time. Most of these companies are totally crap. They're a pump and dump. Somebody emailed somebody about it. It got around the internet. They said, hey, this company is worth nothing, but they have a new merger deal or a possible rumor of getting bought out, and it gets pumped around. These penny stocks jump up huge, 300, 400, 500%. I've seen them go up 1,000% in one day. It happens, and there's a lot of opportunity to make money in that volatility. You just need to be able to understand what you're doing and understand the risk of trading penny stocks. Penny stocks are not as scary as they used to be when you used to buy them off the chart and you had no idea what you're really doing. When we're trading these penny stocks during the day, we're buying them, we're selling them quickly, we're buying those resistance breaks, we're buying the support areas. and then selling after that. We're not holding these for weeks and days and months and hoping and praying. It's just in and out quickly, hitting them, getting out. Penny stocks, that's the only way to play them. Don't hope and pray. Don't email me a week later, say that you bought this stock at $1 and now it's at 10 cents. What do? I told you multiple times to not hold these penny stocks overnight. Even holding a penny stock overnight, you'll get an offering the next morning. You get an offering after hours. The stock can drop 50%. All the profit that you made wiped out, and then you're in for a loss. So just be careful if you're trading penny stocks. Penny stock it's like literally like it's a hot potato. Everyone's just trying to grab it, pass it to the next guy, jumping around, bouncing around, and take profit when they have it. Pass it on to the next guy who wants to try to take profit at the next jump. And that's what it's all about when you're trading penny stocks. Just be careful and protect yourself. And remember that penny stocks in general they're terrible companies, but in the long run, the volatility is there. If you're a day trader, you can see a lot of good opportunity making those trades.